Hey guys, we're here at CES 2026 visiting our friends here at the Navimow booth. We're here to check out what new technology they've got and what they've got to offer us here in 2026. So let's go check out their new robot lawnmowers and see what they've got. Now, if you've ever been to CES, you might know that CES is always a place where you see the future first. And today at Segway Navimow's booth, it wasn't just about showing us one robot mower. They actually showed us a complete robotic lawn care portfolio featuring 4 new robot mowers. The Navimow team walked us through their 4 all-new robot mowers with a service range between compact backyards to massive multi-acre properties. We actually got to experience some live demos and some of the most advanced navigation tech that I've seen on any mower, period. Now, what makes Navimow stand out this year at CES is that they didn't just showcase a single hero product. They actually showed a laddered lineup of products to cover a spectrum of needs and different user types. Every model in Navimow's lineup is wire-free, app-controlled, and built around smarter navigation, whether it's network RTK, solid-state LiDAR, or AI triple fusion navigation. So instead of guessing what mower you need, Navimow actually lets you match the mower to your yard type. Now, they first took us through and showed us their all-new upgraded Navimow i2 all-wheel drive, which is a mid to small lawn powerhouse. This new version of the Navimow i2 is an upgrade to the original, and honestly, I'd say this model is going to be the sweet spot for most homeowners. It's designed for 0.15 to 0.25 acre lawns and is available in 2 different variants. You've got the i206 all-wheel drive for 0.15 acres, and then you've got the i210 all-wheel drive for 0.25 acres. Now, unlike the previous version, which has rear-wheel drive, this new model is 3-wheel drive, giving you industry-only turf-safe zero-turn all-wheel drive, meaning you're not dragging the front wheel around on turns and damaging your grass. Each wheel actually turns independently. In addition to that, it also handles 45% slopes, which is about 24 degrees, with confidence. And because it no longer relies solely on satellite and antenna connectivity, you get more consistency through drop and mow with network RTK and the use of LiDAR. That means no more wires and no antenna fees. In addition to that, the all-wheel drive system on this mower makes it special. It doesn't just climb slopes, it does it without tearing up your lawn. That turf-safe zero turn means tight turns, clean edges, and zero scuffing. And when it comes to setup, you literally place it, tap mow, and it maps your entire yard automatically, which also means no more walking the perimeter to map your yard. It can now do this completely on its own without your intervention. Now, something you'll see throughout this video is how the traction control and electronic stability across all of Navimow's new mowers are working together to ensure that your lawn is completely mowed and that the new line of mowers can tackle any obstacles. These mowers don't hesitate. Now, moving on, we also got to check out Navimow's all-new X4 series mower, and I gotta say, it looks like a beast. It's Navimow's ultimate large yard flagship model, and I love how it looks. Now, if you've got a big property, this is definitely the showstopper. It actually comes in 2 model variants, the X430, which mows up to 1 acre, and the X450, which mows up to 1.5 acres. Now, when it comes to the key highlights for this X4 series mower, it has an 84% slope capability, which means it can easily handle up to 40 degrees. It's also got dual 180 watt cutting mowers for more cutting power and rotation. It's also equipped with a momentum cutting system, which means up to 3 times more mowing efficiency. And it's also got large dual cutting discs for premium cut quality with more coverage. And then, like the new i2 all-wheel drive, you've got network RTK and an upgraded LiDAR system included at no extra cost. This isn't just a bigger mower, it's faster, it's smarter, and it's more powerful. The momentum system means wider cuts, faster movement, and less downtime when it comes to charging. And yes, this thing actually climbs slopes that most walk-behind mowers wouldn't even attempt. I love how the 4-wheel drive on this mower allows each wheel to independently turn so you aren't tearing and dragging grass or dirt around when you're mowing. It's definitely a meaner and larger looking mower with a lot of new power and features. and it's still just as quiet as all the other mowers that I've seen here at CES. With the X4 series, you get 3 times the mowing efficiency, the Flagship all-wheel drive precision, and large area mapping in just minutes. It's truly a hands-free robot that requires very little to no intervention at all. Now, in addition to those 2 mowers, they also did have on display the Navimow i215 LiDAR, which I would consider a backyard hero. Now, this is where things get really cool. The Navimow i215 LiDAR is built for mid-sized, obstacle-heavy backyards, and the navigation tech here is next level. Now, the key tech, which explains simply that powers this little robot mower, is it's got solid-state LiDAR plus vision, it scans 200,000 points per second, it detects obstacles up to 230 feet, and it can recognize up to 200 plus obstacle types. In addition to that, it's also got animal-friendly detection built right into the mower itself. And unlike other mowers where it's got spinning mechanical LiDAR, this is solid state. It's more durable, it's more precise, and it's better for real backyards. When it comes to chair legs, toy swings, even suspended objects, this mower sees it all. And then across all of their mowers, when it comes to features within the Navimow app itself, you've got GeoSketch, where you're literally able to edit your yard map like Google Maps. You can tap, you can drag, and you can draw custom areas within the app itself to allow full control of your entire cutting ecosystem. And then lastly, here at CES at the Navimow booth, they also had on-site samples of the new Navimow H2 Series, which is the master of more complex lawns. If you're someone who has a weirdly shaped or configured yard, this is the mower for you. You've got 2 models. You've got the H210, which mows up to 0.25 acres, and then you've got the H220, which mows up to 0.5 acres. And here is why it's different. You've got EFLS LiDAR plus triple fusion, which encompasses 3 different types of navigation technology. You've got solid state LiDAR, you've got vision, and you've got network RTK. This is triple fusion navigation. 3 systems working together for maximum stability. It's perfect for narrow passages, irregular boundaries, and cluttered landscaping. The H2 series offers fast charging, long runtime, and again, no boundary wires. Now, if you're someone who's thinking about jumping into the world of Navimow, they've got some amazing post-CES pre-order deals which you can check out on the Navimow website. During the period of January 16th through February 12th, you can get the X4 series with a $200 deposit, 10% off, you get a 1-year extended care warranty, and you get 3 additional blade sets included with your order. And then at the same time, you can get an amazing deal on Navimow's all-new i2 all-wheel drive series with a $100 deposit, 10% off, a free Garage S, and 3 blade sets included. So definitely check out those deals on Navimow's website. What I love about Navimow this year is simple. They didn't build one mower for everyone. They actually built a mower for every single yard type. From compact lawns to massive properties, from simple layouts to chaotic backyards, this lineup of new mowers covers it all. I'm Chris, and that's Segway Navimow at CES 2026.